you fabulous 6th grade students. One thing I want to talk about is in your graphic organizer packet, there are two different kinds of problem and solutions. You have the one that shows several problems with this one solution, and then there's another one that shows one problem and the many different steps you can take to solve it. So here's an example with the one that shows many problems. So maybe your problem, first step is I'm not getting good grades, I forget when tests are scheduled, and I do not study. And maybe there's another part. So these are all mini problems. One solution is then to get organized and schedule homework time and put this on a calendar. Alternatively, when you're reading text, it might instead mention one problem and offer many different steps to solve it. So maybe the one problem is, I do not get good grades. The solution steps could be attend guided study, schedule when to do homework, meet with your teacher for extra help, and get a tutor. So bottom line that I want to impress upon you is you have to really read the text to decide which graphic organizer you should use. Should you use the one with one problem because the text mentions several solutions? Or instead, does your text indicate many steps to the problem with one overall way to solve it? One more thing that I want to mention in terms of your graphic organizers is you have that packet. You are going to start running out. So for today's work, if you need to do a sequence graphic organizer, for instance, and you no longer have one in that packet, go to the counter, grab a piece of scrap paper, and actually draw the sequence on your own. And just copy how it is in your packet. This stands true for any of them. If you need a cause